Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Canggu area and Berawa Beach on 14 November 2021. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Canggu area and Brawa Beach. But today we will start from Batu Belig Street. Yeah, now we are in Batu Belig Street. In Batu Belig Street, there is a lot villa and hotels. And usually in this area, there is a lot car and motorbike drive around in this area because Batu Belig is like location in between Seminyak and Canggu. So that's why it's like a shortcut from Seminyak to Canggu or Canggu to Seminyak. So that's why in this area always busy with the car and motorbike. Okay guys, if you see the weather today, it's so beautiful. I mean, it's so blue. It's very hot weather today. And on this video, I make video around 11 minutes without skip because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment from Batu Belig Street until to Berawa Beach. And at the end of this video, I will show you how the situation at the moment in Brawa Beach. And actually, I already updated this area around 3 weeks ago. So you can compare how the situation 3 weeks ago and today on the street. Yeah, but the street still busy. I mean, almost look like the same as 3 weeks ago. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people missing this area for sure. Because since this pandemic corona in 2 years, and it's really hard for them to coming back to Bali during this pandemic corona. Okay guys, you see right side and left side, there is a lot of the shop is already open in this area. And also there is a lot of the hotel also open. And also 3 weeks ago, I already update the Batu Belig Beach. But today, I'm not gonna update the Batu Belig Beach because I want to update Berawa Beach for today. Actually, I make this video on 11 AM. So usually must be busy on the street. But I don't know why today is a bit quiet. There is not so many car and motorbike drive around in this area. It's so quiet, isn't it? Right side and left side there is the shop, but behind the shop there is a lot of villa. Yeah, you see this car? This car just coming outside from the villa. Oh, it's another car. They're just going outside from the shop. Oh my god, still very quiet, isn't it? If I turn left at the front, around 400 meters, there is Tengah Beach. But I will turn right because we will explore Canggu area and Brawa Beach. And now we are in Subasari Street. In this street is very small, very narrow, but two-way for the car because it is a shortcut to go to Canggu. And usually in this area, always traffic jam. But yeah, today is so easy to drive in. And as I told you before, Bali will be getting busy only in weekend. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And today is Monday, so that's why in this area it's not so busy. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Subasari Street. Actually, I'm gonna say in this area there is a lot land still free, I mean not building, so that's why in this area is more green and a lot of rice field. Actually in the left side there is a lot of rice field. Okay guys, you see this area? There is look so busy, isn't it? Because in this area there is a lot of shop. But yeah, it's again getting quiet. Actually, I saw some tourists driving on motorbike today, but still not so busy compared with last 3 weeks ago. And actually, the street always busy in the afternoon, also in the night time, because there is the one way to go to Fin Beach Club, start from Seminyak or Kuta. So that's why in this area so traffic jam during the night time or during the afternoon before the sun set down. Right side, left side, there is a villa. Okay guys, you see the right side? There is a lot of rice field up there. Still looks so green in this area as I told you. Okay guys, now we are still in Subasari Street. In this area at the front, at the corner, there is some restaurant very famous. And usually this restaurant always busy. But today, yeah, there is some motorbike park in there. That's not so bad. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Subasari Street. Rice field left side just been harvest. Right side there is the hotel. And left side there is a villa. And some car park in there. That's really good. You see at the front? Yeah, there is some coffee there. You see left side? There is a lot of rice field in this area, but they are just been harvested. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Subasari Street. And now we will turn right and then we'll back to turn left again, because there is the way to go to Berawa Beach. I just passed it. Okay, now we turn left. Yeah, now we are in Sri Kahyangan Street. So there is like a shortcut to go to Brawa Beach. And also in this area right side, rice field. So that's why, as I told you, in this area there is still a lot land free with the building. Maybe one day you buy the land here, you can build up a hotel or villa around here. That would be a great idea actually. You see at the front left side, there is a taxi park in there, just waiting for the customer. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Sri Kahyangan Street. In this area there is a lot of hotels. So you can see the big building right here, there's the hotels. But the hotel looks so empty. It is very sad, isn't it? Yeah, actually I'm gonna say the situation at the moment on 14 November, this area is not so busy. You see at the front, there will be a really big building there, big project. I think they will make a nightclub, the biggest one in this area, just nearby Fin Beach Club. Okay guys, now we turn left, and now we are in Pantai Brawa Street. At the end of the street, there is Fin Beach Club. So we are nearby the beach now. Yeah, right side, there is the Fin Beach Club. There's the club just beside Brawa Beach. This is the entrance to go to Fin Beach. Okay guys, you see the ocean at the front? There is Berawa Beach. You see the water? It's so blue, isn't it? And the weather is so hot. It's really beautiful day for beach time. Okay, now we are parking my motorbike here. And then I will go to Brawa Beach. As I told you on this video, I make video around 10 minutes without skip. Okay, welcome to Brawa Beach. It is so beautiful, isn't it? Very blue water and blue sky. Yeah, but it is so sad because the beach is so quiet. You see right side? Yeah, that is the Fin Beach Club. Will be busy during the night time or the weekend is mostly busy down there. Yeah, beautiful beach, but look very quiet. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video, and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.